The 2025 Dacia Logan is here to show that you don't need to break the bank to own a car that's stylish, modern, and packed with features. Designed for drivers who want the best of all worlds, style, technology, and affordability. The Logan is a refreshing update to one of Dacia's most popular models. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone looking for a reliable, budget-friendly ride, the 2025 Logan has a lot to offer. Let's start with its design. The 2025 Logan boasts a bold and modern exterior that's a huge leap forward from its predecessor. Clean, sculpted lines give it a sleek and polished look, while the redesigned front grille and updated headlamps add a touch of elegance. At the back, new tail lights and a sturdier bumper complete the car's sophisticated appearance. It's not just an upgrade in functionality. It's a car that makes a statement wherever you go. Inside, the Logan is packed with features that you typically expect in much more expensive vehicles. At the heart of the interior is a larger touchscreen infotainment system, offering navigation, smartphone integration, and other connected services. This user-friendly setup makes staying connected and entertained on the road easier than ever. On top of that, advanced safety features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control provide peace of mind, making driving safer and more comfortable. These high-tech additions elevate the Logan beyond a typical budget car, proving that affordability doesn't mean compromising on modern conveniences. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Logan excels. Dacia has a reputation for designing fuel-efficient engines, and the 2025 model lives up to the expectation. With multiple diesel and gasoline options, each optimized for maximum performance and minimal fuel consumption, the Logan helps drivers save money on fuel without sacrificing the driving experience. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a road trip, this car makes sure you get more miles for your money. Of course, one of the Logan's biggest selling points has always been its price, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Despite all the improvements in design, technology, and efficiency, the Logan remains one of the most affordable cars on the market. It's a vehicle that offers incredible value for money, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a young driver, a family looking for an economical second car, or anyone who wants a reliable and stylish ride without overspending, the Logan has something for everyone. The 2025 Dacia Logan is a versatile car that fits into just about anyone's lifestyle. It's practical enough for daily use, stylish enough to turn heads, and affordable enough to fit tight budgets. With its modern design, advanced features, and exceptional value, it's the perfect choice for drivers who want to get the most out of their investment. This car proves that you don't need to sacrifice quality, style, or technology to save money. In a world where car prices are rising, the 2025 Dacia Logan stands out as a smart and sensible choice. It's a car that delivers on all fronts: style, functionality, efficiency, and affordability. If you're in the market for a new car that checks all the boxes, the Logan should be at the top of your list. It's more than just a budget car. It's a car that redefines what budget-friendly driving can be.